Hey, it's Liam, and today is Friday the 13th. It is a beautiful Friday the 13th. Look at that. Look at that sky. Just look at it. Just look at it. Look at it. All right, now look at me again. So this is not Roanoke. I'm not in Roanoke. I am at the lake today, and this is a road that is not paved. No problems with that. And there's a road with houses at the end of it, and no houses here in the middle. So just met a gentleman and we talked for a bit about just the lots around here. Knew a little bit. I didn't learn a lot, but he wasn't here looking at these lots that I am parked next to. This road is on like a ridge, and the land drops off on either side, so if the trees were taken to the south, it would give sunny winter days. So that's just kind of what I'm thinking. It's all big. It's not really a secret. It's more like, well, he recommended actually that I go down the street and talk to the folks that might own the entire other half of the street. And I'm like, I don't really want to start that ball rolling, because I do have other things to do while I'm down here in Virginia. But while I'm down here, I wanted to see this road and see it with my own eyes. I was surprised by how much the land dropped off, because Google Earth or those kind of things, they give you a sense of it, but you can't really. I'm like under the trees, which you can't do really for Google Earth. So that's what I'm up to today. I'm just gonna finish this up, head back to Roanoke, do some Go Festy kind of stuff. Maybe I'll stop and have something to eat on the way. I think that's a good idea. The roads around here are nice. The roads getting from Roanoke to here are mental. They're insane. So that's another thing to think about after a long drive drive down from Massachusetts, to have such a white knuckle trip from Roanoke to here. I would have to find a different way, because I think it would be too tired. I'm sorry, I'm just kind of not thinking too much. I wasn't planning on making a video here at all, but now you know. Not happening anytime soon. This has been Liam from Base Dated. Thanks for watching.